All right, so let us begin. So we are doing the mole concept. If you all please keep the notebooks handy so that you can write down some important points with me and you understand it better. So what is first thing, understand that what is the meaning of mole, rather why we have to study this concept called as mole. Now whenever, see, when elements and compounds, when elements and compounds take part in a chemical reaction, when elements and compounds take part in a chemical reaction, then their atoms their atoms and molecules their atoms and molecules actually react. Their atoms and molecules actually react. Okay, so understand this first. See, when elements and compounds they take part in a chemical reaction, then their atoms and molecules they react with each other. But then, can you count the number of atoms or molecules? Can you count them individually? Yes, let me know.
Yes,
You can
yes.
can you really count the number of atoms or molecules, or we have to use something else to count them? See, like for example, we cannot in a 10 grams of tur dal or moong dal, you don't know how many units of dal come, right? Similarly, in elements and compounds, it is very difficult to count the number of atoms in them. Okay, therefore, we use, so can you count them? Practically, the answer is no. Now, what do you do next? For this, to count the number of atoms and molecules, we use the concept which is called as the mole. So mole is used to count the number of atoms or molecules, to count the number. Now, what is actually a mole? Now, for example, see, when I say that 1 dozen is 12, or 1 gross is equal to 100, or any such, whenever I take any such measurement, then I know actually what is the amount present in that particular unit. Now what is the meaning of 1 mole? 1 mole actually, what is included in 1 mole? So 1 mole is 1 mole of any substance. 1 mole of any substance is its molecular, its atomic, is its atomic or molecular mass in grams. See, 1 mole of any substance is the substance atomic mass or molecular mass in grams. Alright, now what is the meaning of this? See, understand first, then you can ask me your doubts. So, for example, see, when I say 1 mole of oxygen atom, 1 mole of oxygen atom will weigh how many grams? So एका oxygen atom चं वजन किती आहे? What is the mass of 1 atom of oxygen? Can you tell me?
0.16,
Yeah,
0.8, sorry,
no, it's
point
not.
0.8.
No, it's not 0.8. See, open page number 51. 51 of your textbook.
16.
Yes, you can see that one oxygen atom is weighing how many grams? 16 grams.
16.
Yes, 16 grams. So that means I can say that 16 grams is 1 mole of oxygen atom. 16 grams is 1 mole of oxygen atom. Now suppose I say 1 mole of oxygen molecule. 1 mole of oxygen molecule. What is, how do you write oxygen molecule? O2, right? So what is 1 mole of oxygen molecule? How many grams
32
it will
grams.
be there? How much?
32.
Yes,
32.
it is 32 grams. Why 32? Because
O2.
O2,
2.
because O is 16. 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. Okay, so this we can say that 1 mole of oxygen atom weighs 16 grams and 1 mole of oxygen molecule weighs 32 grams, right? Now suppose I say 1 mole of water is, can you tell me how many grams it will be?
17.
What is the formula for
17.
water? Formula for water,
H2O.
H2O,
H2O.
33.
right?
33.
No. Just you
18
calculate
grams.
its molecular mass. Yes, how you will calculate its molecular mass?
18.
18 grams.
Yes,
18.
18 grams. So how you have calculated
18.
this? 1. 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen. 1 multiplied by
2
1 multiplied by 2 plus how
plus
much?
16.
16 will give you, that will be equal to how much? It will be equal to 18 grams. Okay, all of you? I'll just shift it up on the upper side. So this will be equal to 18 grams. Are you understanding this mole concept, all of you? You just have to
Yes.
remember ki 1 mole manje kai. So 1 mole is any substance's atomic mass or its molecular mass in grams. That is what is mole. Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes. Anybody has any doubts?
No.
Any question on this? Yes, please answer my question. Is anybody having any doubts?
No,
No,
ma'am. No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now let us understand what is the meaning of 1 mole. आता आपण हे तर बघितलं की 1 mole आपण कसं calculate करायचं. But actually the thing is 1 mole will contain how many atoms or how many molecules. So let us see that. Okay. So 1 mole will include, it will always be equal to how many atoms or molecules? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. This is 10 raised to 23. I'll just write it down. 10 raised to 23. Okay. So it will be written as, just a minute, 10 to the power 23. Okay. So these many atoms or molecules, oh, sorry. So these many atoms or molecules are present in 1 mole. So 1 mole is 10 to the power 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. 23. So this is number of atoms or number of molecules. So this can be number of atoms or number of molecules. Okay, and this number, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, is called as the Avogadro's number, called as Avogadro's number. Okay, and it is written as capital N small a, capital N A. Actually, it is capital A that they denoted to write this, capital N and capital A. So like this. Okay, so this is Avogadro's number. And why you have to remember Avogadro's number? It is because, just a second. Yes. So why we have to remember this Avogadro's number? Because it will give us the number of atoms or molecules taking part in the reaction. Now every substance's 1 mole will be different, right? So every substance will have different number of atoms or molecules in them. Like for example, 18 grams means 1 mole of water will contain these many molecules. 32 grams of oxygen molecule will contain these many molecules. 16 grams of oxygen atom will contain these many molecules. Okay, so this is called as Avogadro's number. Are you understanding this, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I want responses from most of you all. If you have any doubts, I'll repeat it. Others are there in the meeting? Hello, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
So please give me response. You want me to repeat it again?
No,
No.
ma'am.
No. Okay, I'll repeat it once again. See, we have discussed 1 mole of any substance is its molecular mass in grams, atomic or molecular mass. Then we said 1 mole of oxygen atom will be 16 grams because oxygen atoms of वजन 16 आहे. ऑक्सिजन मॉलिक्यूलचं वजन किती आहे 16 into 2 that is 32 म्हणजे 1 mole of oxygen molecule किती वेट करेल 32 grams वेट करेल. But we don't know 1 mole म्हणजे नक्की किती. Like I told you 1 dozen is 12. तसं 1 mole is how much? So 1 mole of any substance will always contain 6.022 into 10 raised to the power 23. It can be atoms or it can be molecules, and this number is called as Avogadro's number, which is represented by N8. Okay, now I'll explain you some sums related to this so that this concept will become more clear to all of you. Okay, so should I erase this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, I'll write down one sum in front of you and let us solve it. So the sum is how many molecules are there in 66 grams of CO2. How many molecules are there in 66 grams of CO2? So this is the question. Okay. Now, tell me first what is given to you all. What is given and what is asked?
Grams are given.
Yes, grams are given. So they have given you the
66 grams of carbon
they
dioxide.
have given you that mass of carbon dioxide CO2 and this is equal to 66
grams.
66 grams. Okay, now what are you supposed to find out?
Ma'am, the molecules consisting in CO2.
Yes, find out the number of molecules. In what number of molecules in 66 grams?
66
Right?
grams.
So this you have to find out. Okay. Now for this, see, if you have to, now let us go in the reverse thinking manner. Suppose you have to find out the number of molecules. What are we supposed to find out? आपल्याला मॉलिक्युल्स फाइंड आउट करायचे म्हणजे आपल्याला आधी काय फाइंड आउट करावं लागेल. सी असं कसं रिलेशन आहे याच्यामध्ये की
C, पहले C, first we had to find out C and then O and then we had to multiply them with 2.
No, that is your molecular mass. My question is, if you have to find out the number of molecules, what are we supposed to find out first? We have to first find out the mole.
Number of moles.
Number of moles you have to find out, right? And फिर number of moles में then you can easily find out the number of molecules, right? Now, to find out the number of moles, there is one formula. So let us see that formula. What is the formula to find out the number of moles of any substance? So number of moles का formula क्या है? Is equal to the given mass is equal to the given mass divided by its molecular mass. Its molecular mass. So इससे हमें क्या मिलेगा? इससे we'll get the number of moles of that substance. Okay. Let me solve the complete sum and show it to you. Then you can ask me the doubts if you have any. So अभी यहाँ पे क्या करना है? Next step will be, first you have to, your given mass, you know it is 66, right? Now you have to find out the molecular mass. So tell me, how will you find out the molecular mass? कैसे निकालोगे molecular mass इसका? Yes.
We have to find out the mole first.
To find out the mole, you have to find out this molecular mass, isn't it? You have to find
Yes.
out this molecular mass, right? Then only you can find out the mole. Okay.
Mole.
So how will you find out the molecular mass? Come on, all of you. We have done this before. What is the atomic mass of carbon?
12.
12, okay. Then what you will do? Plus 12 plus. What is the atomic mass of oxygen?
16.
16
Into 2.
into 2, isn't it? So what answer you'll get for this? 12 plus 32 will be equal to how much? 44,
44.
right? Now you will put the value in this molecular mass. So now how will you find out what is the next step? Number of moles, n. Number of moles, we write it as small n is equal to, what is the given mass? Tell me, what mass is given to you all?
66 grams.
66 grams, right? So you're going to divide this by how much?
Molecular mass, that is 44.
44. Okay. So n will be how much? Divide this 11 6 or we can directly write it as 22.
6 upon
22 3 and 22 2. So 3 by 2 is how much? 1.5. Okay, 3 divided by 2. So what have you got now? You have got 1.5 moles. Is it clear to all of you up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now see, what is our rule? Our rule is that 1 mole, or you know actually, that 1 mole of any substance, 1 mole of any substance is going to contain how many molecules? How many?
6.022.
6.022 into
10 raised to 23.
10 raised to 23. Okay. So if 1 mole is 6.022, so how much is 1.5 moles? जर 1 मोल 6.022 आहे तर 1.5 moles किती असतील? So how will you calculate this? काय करायचं? What you will do next? Simply cross multiply. How will you cross multiply? 6.022 multiplied by 1.5 into 10 raised to the power 23. So calculate this and tell me the answer. What answer you are getting? Just do one thing. You can share your screens with me. Are you having your notebooks with you all?
Miss 3.0610.
3.06.
One zero.
No. It's not 3 point. 1.5 into 6.022.
Miss 90.33.
90.33. Okay. How many decimals you are shifting? You are shifting 4 decimals, right?
Ma'am.
4 decimals you have to shift. Okay. See, what you do is simply 6022 multiply by
9.033.
9.033. Okay, let us do this multiplication. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10, 11. 5001. 6 5s are 30. 2, 2,
Miss 9.0830.
and 6. 0, 3, 3, 0, 9. And you have to shift 4 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 9.033. Okay. What will be your answer? Your answer will be 9.033 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Okay. Did you all get this, all of you?
Yes, Miss.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Just share your screens with me. I want to see whether you all are writing or not. Share your screens with me. I want to see. Can you all share the screens?
No, ma'am.
No? Why? Sanjana, okay, I can see your screen. Jnanada, Iron. Okay, okay. Prajwal, Purva, Kshitij, Rohan, Swarali, Samarth, Nisarg, Shruti. Next sum, you're going to share the screens and you're going to show me. Okay. So should we proceed to the next sum, all of you? Next sum
Yes,
should I take? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, the number 10 raised to 23 will remain as it is.
Actually, it will remain as it is because it is just the multiplication by zeros. Now, if you want to shift this decimal, no, see if you want to shift this decimal, then you can reduce this to 10 raised to the power 22. Means if you want to make it 90.33, then reduce the number of zeros.
Okay, ma'am.
Because if you shift one decimal, one zero will also get cancelled, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can keep it as it is. That is not a problem. All right. So I'll clear this. Next sum we are going to write down. Just write down in your notebooks. Next sum. How many molecules of water are there? How many molecules of water are there in 36 grams water. How many molecules of water are there in 36 grams water? So like the sum which we have done just now, it is the same like that. So tell me, how are we going to proceed here? What is given to you all?
36 gram of water.
36 grams of water is given, and we have to find the molecule.
Okay, let us go a bit slow. Given is weight of water, or we can say mass of water in grams. Mass of water. How much is given to you all? It is 36, right? To find out, what are we supposed to find out?
The molecule consisting water.
Number of molecules in
In water.
grams. Okay, this we have to find out. All right. So tell me the formula. What is the formula required over here? What is N? N is equal to, you have to find out the number of molecules. If you have to find out the number of molecules, what you have to find out first? You have to find out the number of,
Molecular mass.
yes, you have to find out first the number of, okay, we'll find out the molecular mass. And what else are we supposed to find out? You also have to find out what? The number of moles.
Mole.
Yes, number of moles. Okay, and then we have seen what is the formula for number of moles. Tell me.
Given mass upon its molecular mass.
Given N is equal to the given mass divided by its molecular mass. Molecular mass. Okay, so calculate this. What will you get?
Thirty-six upon 2.
Okay, just a minute.
Sorry, miss. 36 upon 18.
Okay,
Water.
so we have to first write down given mass is 36 upon molecular mass of water. I told you how to find out molecular mass, right, of water. That will
Yes,
come up to 18. So how will you find out? H2O. H2O may atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. 1
1 into 2
Into 2 plus
plus
16.
16,
16. So
which
this
is
will be,
18 grams.
yes, which is 18
18.
grams, right? Okay, so how will you write over here? Upon 18. So this will come up to how many moles? Tell me. It will be 18 to the 36.
2.
2.
How many
2
moles
moles.
you have got? 2 moles. Now, what is our thumb rule? Thumb rule kya hai? 1 mole of any substance is going to have how many molecules?
6.022
6.022.
10 raised to
23.
23.
Into 10 raised to 23. So if 1 mole is having so many molecules, then 2 moles will have how many molecules? So how will you calculate this?
Cross multiply.
0. Cross multiply.
So simply cross multiply.
Cross multiplication.
Yes, into 2. Keep 10 raised to 23 as it is. Okay.
Miss, the answer is 12.044.
Yes, correct. 12.044. You're right. 12.044 into 10 raised to 23 is your answer. Okay, all of you, any doubts in this sum? Let us solve one more. Hello? Hello
Yes.
everyone, any doubts
Yes,
in this?
miss.
Any
No,
doubts?
miss.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
so should I clear this? Clear?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us solve the next sum. Next sum is how many molecules
Ma'am, do we have to rejoin?
No, tomorrow we will take. Tomorrow we'll take after 6 or 6:30. I'll send the link. So tomorrow we'll continue with this chapter. How many molecules of H2SO4 are there in 49 grams? Okay. So yes, by the same method you're going to solve this. Now we'll not write given, we'll directly solve. So what is the what you have to find out? Number of molecules. To find out the number of molecules, what do you require? You require moles. Okay, so directly we'll find out the molecular mass of H2SO4. So can you calculate molecular mass of H2SO4? How will you find out? Tell me.
We have to find out the H2SO4.
1 into
1 into 2
plus
into plus 23.
सल्फर का 23 है, सल्फर का कितना है? 16 है ना सल्फर का?
Sulfur.
नहीं, sulfur is 32,
32.
sorry. Yes, 32.
32.
Sorry. 32 plus
16
16
into 4.
into 4. Okay. So ये कितने हो गए? 34. 2 plus 32 is 34 plus 64. This will be how much? 98. Right? Now use our formula. What is the formula? N is equal to
Given mass upon
Given mass upon molecular mass.
What is the given mass? 49.
49 upon 98.
Yes, upon
Two is
98.
the answer.
With 2.
2
Two
का सही है यार, 2 का सही है यार.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
1
1
by
by 2.
2. So what is 1 by 2?
Which
It
is
is
0.5.
yes, it is 0.5. So simple. Now what you will do? 1 mole is equal to how much?
6.022 into 10 raised to
10 raised to the power 20.
23.
So 0.5 moles is how much? Okay. What will you do? Cross multiply.
Point 011.
Now simply see, you have to simply reduce it to half, isn't it? इसका आपको क्या करना है? Half करना है. Just reduce it to half. That's it.
3.011. 3.011.
Okay.
3.011.
Yes. 3.011
Point
into
10 raised to 23.
I think this decimal will be shifting 4 decimal places, right? So the answer will be 10 raised to the power 22. Is it so? Into 5. 5 to the 10. 5 to the 10, 11. 1, 6, 5 is 30. So you have to shift how many decimal places? 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3.011. Right. 3.011 into 10 raised to the power 23. Okay. So is this sum clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody is having any doubts in this? Any question? Any
No, ma'am.
doubts? Okay. So now let us you have to do one thing. You have to solve one question on page number 57. 57. Did you get the page number 57? Page number 57 के ऊपर you have to solve the question and you will share your notebooks with me tomorrow. How many molecules are there? You will solve first two. 32 grams of oxygen or 90 grams of water? Question number 7. Page number 57. Question number 7. के पहले दो, first two you will solve. First two. Which first two you will solve? 32 grams oxygen and 90 grams of water. This you will solve tomorrow. Did you all get this?